Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add reflection to text in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box. Now I am write anything. Now I am write some text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go to the home menu, increase the font size. Applying the bold effect, you can align the text middle and center. Now I am go to the shape format menu, you can change the color. Now I am select this color. You can select the text effect option and choose the reflection. We can see here many reflection. Now I am select this, you can add the shadow of text. Now we can see we add reflection effect to text easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.